Looking man stupid. They look like they peck hard.
Yeah, I feel like they would. No.
Look at you. Dumb. Stupid. Autistic. Dumb motherfucker. I'm
He
sorry.
would bite.
Would you bite me?
Yeah, see, it was like.
You're a handsome young man. You get all the bitches in the world.
Maybe it's a girl.
You a bad bitch. You get all the niggas. White niggas, black niggas, Hispanic niggas, Asian niggas, all the niggas. Yes, that's right.
Yes? That's you?
You drinking water? Mm-hmm. Drinking little nigga? Mm-hmm.
Is this guy bothering you, sir?
Hey.
Harassing you?
Hey. You got something to say? That's something to say, boy? Hmm? Is there a problem, sir?
Sir, he itself. I didn't even notice he was going into the glass.
Oh.
Staticky.
What are you trying to do, nigga?
So prosperous.
What is you trying to do, boy? Oh, look at this.
Hello.
Oh, my fault.
They're all doing it. They're so focused.
You thought I forgot about you, nigga? Hey. They're adorable. I don't want to pet them, but they'll bite. Oh, what's going on over there? Hands? Well, mine or your hands?
Because they would still have space. It's on my hand. So your hand probably would cover it.
Mm.
Okay. Dance up there.
You know, if my phone dropped, I will go down there.
Are. Hold on to your phone properly. Dance.
Oh.
African spoon.
It's within the lighting. There we go.
Live in lakes, rivers, marshes, and ponds.
Fix the setting.
They feed on fish, they feed